Night brush. No. Open. Good job. Always got to work. Every single tooth. Every time. See. So it should be twice. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. This is not sexy. This is not fun. This is real life. Hey, baby boy. Sit down.
Huh?
Sit down. Alright. Doing good. Thank you. You're doing good. Gotta encourage them if they're actually doing okay. Good. Done. That's enough. Okay, open. Good job.
That's Cameron's.
Yes, I don't
Put mine
know.
over here.
Yes, we're gonna put yours over there. Okay. Can I get the top, please? Thank you.
No. I just want to talk.
Okay, open. Haven't seen you in a while. Relax. Close a little. Yes, Chase has some new silver teeth as of today. We held out as long as we could with STF.
STF?
Yes, that's the black stuff that Dad put on your teeth. It's all a work in progress. Go spit. And every child is different. And we would want to wait 30 minutes till after we eat, but not a perfect world. Come on, close a little. Alright, good job. Let's floss. Open. Open. Yeah. No, it's from the other crown on the top. Very hard. Stay on track with the child's flossing routine. Alright, done. Bonus round. This is only for dentists. You can see the build-up right here. Sorry, babe. What? It's a lot. So we always need to make sure we're brushing that eyegum line. Everybody doesn't have a dentist at home to do this extra when needed. Shush. Please. Why are you pushing me? Please stop. Look at all that. Goodness. You can miss. Even brushing the teeth for 2 minutes twice a day, every day. Open. Close your mouth. Alright, it'll be like that. Okay. Hey, don't make any sudden movements. Okay. Brushed on for 2 minutes. Still got all that stuff.